Hello hackers, welcome back to the new video. In this video I am going to show how we can full screen your Kali Linux screen. If you run Kali Linux as a guest within VirtualBox, then this video will help you to successfully install the guest addition tool. And if you don't know how to set up Kali Linux within VirtualBox, then you go with my playlist of Linux Basic for Hacker. So let's begin. The VirtualBox guest addition provides proper mouse and screen integration as well as folder sharing with your host operating system. To install them, proceed as follows. Open terminal window and issue this command to install the Linux kernel headers. First command is sudo apt update, and Kali asks for my sudo password. When successfully finished, then type another command sudo apt install -y linux headers $sign uname -r and hit enter. I am already download this Linux header file. Then this type of result comes here. Once this is complete, you can now attach the guest addition CD-ROM image. I am close this terminal. Go to devices from the VirtualBox menu and then select insert guest addition CD image. This will mount the guest addition ISO in the virtual CD drive in your Kali Linux virtual machine. So we go to file system, select VirtualBox guest addition and open terminal here. When terminal is open, then type ls and here we can see a file name is autorun.sh. Then type another command is sudo sh autorun .sh and hit enter. When successfully done, reboot your computer. Congratulations, Kali Linux is going to a full screen. That's it for today. We will meet in next lecture. If video is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit like and share this video.